This time we're supposed to perform the addition of the BCD codes. First, we have 0, 0, 0, 1, and I have 0, 0, 1, 1. Add. BCD stands for binary coded decimal. Okay, so we're going to deal with the binary numbers. So we're supposed to perform regular addition of the binary numbers. So we have 1 plus 1 is equal to, I'm supposed to write 0 and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, I'm supposed to write 0 and carry of 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 gives me 0. Let me remind you. 1 plus 1 is equal binary 2. 1, 0. That's why I'm supposed to write 0 and carry of 1. This is the solution to my problem. If you want to convert this to decimal and verify the answer, this is binary 1. This is binary 3. 1 plus 3 is equal 4. This is binary 4. So this is correct answer. Let's take a look at this example. I have 0, 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 1, 1. Of course, this is BCD, but as we said, we're supposed to perform regular binary addition. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, write 0 and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry of 1. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So if you want to convert this to decimal and see how it works, I have 6 plus 3 is equal 9. This is binary 9, but in this case this is going to be BCD 9. And this is of course the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this one. We have 0, 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 0, 1, 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, write 0 and carry of 1. 1 plus 1, 0 and carry of 1. This is 1. So this is 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is equal 9. This is binary 9, but in this case this is going to be my BCD 9. This is the solution to my problem.